Hey, hello, dear students. I'm going to teach you how to calculate a monopoly price, profit maximizing price, and the quantity through a midpoint rule. Okay, so what is the midpoint rule? A rule that states that the optimal price is halfway between the vertical intercept of demand curve and the vertical intercept of marginal cost curve. Okay, so this is the halfway between the vertical intercept of the demand curve and the vertical intercept of the marginal cost curve. Okay, most important condition is that the demand curve must be a linear. Okay, first condition is that demand curve must be linear. Okay, must be linear. And second condition is that marginal cost must be constant. Okay, if any question meet these two conditions, then we can solve the monopoly price and the quantity through a midpoint rule. Okay, so I am going to tell you through a diagram how to calculate such type of problems. Okay, so this is the our y-axis, and this is price, cost, okay, and revenue. Okay, and this is the x and the quantity, and this is the demand curve, and this is the linear demand curve. Okay, I'm calling it a, and this is marginal cost curve. Okay, this is constant. Okay, so this question is meeting both condition. This is the demand curve is linear and marginal cost is the constant. I'm calling it a c. Okay, in such case the equilibrium price would be a plus c upon 2. Okay, directly you can solve by substituting value in this formula. So this is known as the midpoint rule. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you through a diagram. No, I have told you through a diagram. Now I'm going to tell you through a numerical problem. Okay, for example, you have a demand curve. Suppose demand curve p equal to a minus bq. Okay, this is the demand curve, and suppose you have a marginal cost that is equal to c, and c is the constant. Okay, keep in mind c is the constant. Now I am gonna explain you that how to calculate marginal revenue. So first we need to calculate total revenue, and total revenue is p time q. Okay, the value of p, substituting value of p, that is a minus bq. Now writing a q, and this is total revenue. Now aq minus bq square. Okay, now calculate the marginal revenue. Okay, now we need to differentiate a total revenue with respect to q, that is output. So marginal revenue would be a minus 2bq. This is marginal revenue. You can call it equation number 1, and marginal cost is given. You can call it c. Okay, now we have two equation. Now equating both, condition for profit maximization is mr is equal to mc, and mr is a minus 2bq, and mc is c. Now this is the a minus c equal to 2bq, and you can further say that the bq. Okay, now q equal to a minus c upon 2b. Okay, so this is our equilibrium quantity. Okay, I have calculated the equilibrium or profit maximizing quantity of monopoly. Now we need to calculate the profit maximizing price, and you are aware that the price equation is p equal to a minus bq. Okay, now substituting value of q. Okay, value of q is a minus c upon 2b. Okay, you can cancel b cancel, that is equal to a minus c. Okay, and this would be upon a minus c upon, this is 2, and further calculating, this is the 2a minus c, then this is the plus c. Okay, this is plus c upon 2. Okay, now 2a minus a, that is equal to a plus c upon 2. Okay, so I have calculated that the price is equal to the halfway of intercept of demand curve and the marginal cost curve. Okay, now see what would happen if there is rise in the demand curve intercept. Okay, suppose if intercept of demand curve increases, here price is equal to a plus c upon 2. Suppose if there is an increase in the a, that is the intercept of demand curve, if it increases equal to 10, then price will rise by the 5. Okay, half. Okay, half of that is 10 upon 2, price will increase by 5. And suppose if government imposes taxes on the commodity, if tax is imposed equal to the 20, the price will rise equal to the 10. Okay, exactly equal to the half of value of our tax. Okay, so this is very simple, and you can use it to calculate a different types of monopoly problems directly. So this is very important to calculate a equilibrium price and quantity in a very shortcut manner. Okay, so thank you for watching.